Thinking Denver's too crowded or too expensive? Let me show you a spot that's growing for all the right reasons. Hi, I'm Dave Richens, local realtor here in Denver, Colorado. If you're thinking about moving to Colorado and want a place with more room, better views, and less stress than living in the city, Castle Rock might be just the place for you. I work with a lot of families, professionals, and out-of-state buyers who are looking for a little bit more space, better views, and a little less chaos. In this video, I'm breaking down why Castle Rock is one of the most in-demand places to live in Denver. In 2025, this is what you need to know before making the move. Castle Rock used to be one of those quiet places on the map. But in the last decade, it's become a place and a destination for people who are looking for lifestyle, location, and community. You get the small town charm, but big time access to Denver to the north and Colorado Springs to the south, and room to roam and spread out everywhere in between. Families love it because the schools are strong, parks and trails everywhere, and the community vibe is real. And professionals like it because it's easy access to the highways, easy access to school and work, but lifestyle and location bring it back home. Castle Rock is growing, but the development and growth feel intentional. You have neighborhoods like the Meadows with walkability, trails, and amenities. You've got the terrain that's spread out, a little bit bigger homes. And then you've got Crystal Valley with some of the best mountain views in town, along with other areas around it, Sapphire Point, Diamond Ridge, McCanta. They all ring bells and ring strong in Castle Rock. If you want custom and luxury homes, places like the Canyons and Castle Pines or the Village offer tons of trees and privacy. Homes here in Castle Rock don't just check boxes, they deliver quality of life. In addition, most neighborhoods are built around schools, greenbelts, parks, and trails, all for public enjoyment. One of the biggest draws in Castle Rock is lifestyle. You can hit the trails in the morning and then head to work or work from home midday, and then in minutes be downtown grabbing dinner at the local brewery or a restaurant for the evening. Downtown Castle Rock is a major highlight. It's walkable, it's local, and it feels like home. Whether it's coffee shops, farmers markets, movie nights, there's always something going on in town. It's not about entertainment, it's a pace of life. People here are friendly, and the communities are strong. You see kids riding bikes, neighbors walking their dogs, and local business owners who actually really know your name. Parks and rec are everywhere. The Philip S. Miller Park is more like a mini resort. With its zip lines, its stair climb, it has multiple trails, trailheads to walk, to hike, even biking trails. Indoor and outdoor playgrounds, and even a small amphitheater where we have summer concert series. You can also access over 75 miles of connected trails from there. The pace of life here is noticeably calmer. You can still commute to Denver when needed. It's also an ideal place for remote workers who want a little bit more elbow room but don't want to commute all day long. Here's why so many buyers are skipping the big city and moving to Castle Rock. First, there's space. Larger lots, bigger homes, and way more breathing space than central Denver. Second, schools and family life. Douglas County schools are consistently ranked among the best in Colorado, and Castle Rock has tons of family-friendly neighborhoods. Third, the nature access. You're just not living in the mountains, you're living in the foothills. Hiking, biking, and trail running are built into a daily life and lifestyle here. Plus, Castle Rock is still developing in smart ways. New retail centers, dining spots, and health facilities are popping up. So what does that mean? You're getting convenience without losing the charm. So it's no surprise that the area has become one of the top spaces for people relocating to Colorado. Castle Rock is also a favorite for those that are relocating from California or even Texas and the East Coast. You get a lot of home here, but it's not uncommon to find spacious homes with lots of amenities, modern technologies, and smart technology within them. It's also a place where people stick around. It's all about community. There's a real sense of belonging with community events, strong neighborhood associations, and growing investments in schools and parks locally. It doesn't feel temporary here. It feels like home. Castle Rock isn't just a suburb. It's a destination in its own right. You've got shopping, restaurants, and local communities that keep showing up for each other. From a real estate perspective, Castle Rock offers versatility. Something custom or something low maintenance. Castle Rock has it all. And prices, though, while rising, are still a better value to places like Boulder or Central Denver. For anyone looking for more than just a place to sleep, Castle Rock offers a place to actually live. So if you're exploring a move to Colorado and you want a lifestyle that balances access, nature, and real community, Castle Rock is worth a serious look. I help buyers all the time that are moving up, moving down, relocating, or just trying to figure out where they feel most at home. If you want help figuring it out and Castle Rock's the right community for you, shoot me a message or a DM and I'll help you sit down and we'll discuss it.